Welcome to this fifth part of our shinyMlr video tutorial. Today I will show you how to tune your learning algorithms with our app. Last time I showed you how to make a selection of several learners for your analysis in the learner section. And now we are in the tuning section and take one of those learners and do some hyperparameter tuning. Let's do that now for the support vector machine. After we selected the learner, which we want to tune, we can now specify the general tuning settings. There are 3 different tuning methods included in shinyMlr. Technical backgrounds on each method can be seen by clicking on the Help button. We have support for grid search, where you have to specify the resolution of the grid, random search, where you need to specify the number of random iterations, and last but not least, iterated f-racing from the iRace package, where you can set the number of maximal experiments to try. For this video, we'll simply use random search with 100 samples from the parameter space. To evaluate our tuning process, we use k-fold cross-validation, where you can freely set the number of folds. We will use 10 for now. Additionally, you can set the measure for which the tuning process should be optimized, depending on your task. For classification tasks, accuracy is pre-selected, but we could also change it. Finally, if you deploy shinyMlr locally and have a multi-core system, you can enable parallel tuning. You only have to type in the number of cores you're working on. We'll go with 8 right here. Now we can choose the learner's parameters we want to tune. On the right table, all tunable hyperparameters of our learner are shown, including their type, their defaults, and their constraints. Let's tune the numeric parameter cost, the discrete parameter kernel, and the integer parameter degree. Afterwards, we can specify the parameter space in the param setting tab. Here, we can type in the desired lower and upper values for our parameters. Note that we can also set a log2 or a log10 transformation, which we will use for the parameters cost and degree. Let's tune the hyperparameter cost between times to the power of -6 to times to the power of 6. If we set a -6 as lower value and a 6 as upper value and select the log2 as transformation function. Let's set the upper value for degree to the same. As we can see, all possible values for the hyperparameter kernel are already selected, so we're pretty happy with that. We don't have to do anything here. We simply start our tuning procedure with clicking on Tune Learner button. Until the tuning is finished, you have to wait a bit for the loading screen to disappear. Now that computation has successfully ended, as a last step, we can transfer our optimal hyperparameters to the learner by clicking on Transfer Optimal Hyperparameters to Learner, which will update the parameter settings for our support vector machine. So that was the 5th part for our video tutorial on shinyMlr. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you in the next part, where I will show you how to train a model and make predictions on new observations in shinyMlr. Thanks for watching. Bye.